While our efforts continue to make available diversified financial tools such as the SCO Development Bank and Development and Investment Funds for our economies and businesses, we must aggressively utilize the tools already at our disposal, like the SCO Interbank Consortium, to finance connectivity and technical collaboration projects. Number two, build human capital. The ultimate resource of the SCO is our people. The empowerment of our youth is of foremost importance. We must invest in them directly. Pakistan therefore advocates for a significant expansion of the SCO university network into a consortium for applied knowledge. This would facilitate not just student exchanges, but also joint research programs in critical fields such as information technology, artificial intelligence, water resource management, agriculture, and telemedicine, addressing the common challenges with shared intellect. Excellencies, Pakistan is committed to being a proactive and creative partner in the journey. Let us build an SCO that is a launchpad for shared success, where every connection made, commercial, cultural, or intellectual, strengthens the whole. Let us ensure that the legacy of our work is a region more innovative, more interconnected, and more integrated than ever before. I thank you all. Among ourselves and for others in need. Pakistan has developed a technology-driven, proactive disaster management system. We are keen to organize simulation exercises with SCO partners to bolster disaster preparedness across the region. Excellencies, our discussions at Tianjin underscored the need to modernize our outreach. The value of our observer and partner states is immense. Let us move from a model of passive observation to a one of real engagement. Let us invite them to participate, not as guests on the periphery, but as stakeholders in specific project-based initiatives that align with their expertise and our collective goals. Excellencies, this way we can create a flexible, multi-tiered model of cooperation that would benefit all. An important feature of the modernization of the SCO is the introduction of English as a working language. Let us move forward from political declarations and establish translation. The SCO can attract more partners and achieve wider goal influence with this only one step. Excellencies, to translate the momentum of Tianjin into tangible progress, we suggest greater focus on practical, cross-cutting initiatives. Therefore, we propose to 1. Operationalize financial tools for the promotion of trade and economy. While our efforts continue to make available diversified financial tools such as the SCO Development Bank and Development and Investment Funds for our